Hey guys, I'm just gonna show you how I crimp my hair and how I wave it. Now let's start with crimping. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what the music is, it's just Real Undefeated. It's my favorite song. But my hair is half crimped in the back, but I forgot to do the front. Oh, and if you're a One Direction fan, can you tweet Niall happy late birthday, or comment below and comment and like my video. And I'm gonna do a tutorial on my birthday on how to curl your hair with a flat iron. Look, see, it turned out really good. But it's really warm. I just got out of the shower a couple hours, 2 hours ago maybe. I washed my hair because it was really like rough. Now let's try this. I usually love. Let's do. Now we're gonna listen to Jason Derulo, "It Girl." Yeah. If you guys want to know what song it is, I'm just gonna tell you. I'm not gonna do all of it, all my hair, but I'm just gonna do like a couple pieces.
Do you remember people's names? To concentrate a little bit. Learn faster. Just not miss stuff.
And try not to burn your ear, or burn your finger, or burn your skin, because that really hurts. Because this thing really gets really hot.
Start your free training with Umosity.com and discover what your brain can do.
But like sometimes I have to go over it twice because it doesn't get that hot, and I have to go over it twice or sometimes 3 times. And like I usually hold it there for like 10 seconds or maybe longer. Wow.
I've been looking under rocks and breaking locks, just trying to find you. I've been like a maniac, insomniac, 5 steps behind you. Tell them other girls they can hit the
exit. If you're going to see One Direction, tell me in the comment if you saw them or you're gonna go see them, because I'm gonna go see them in June, not this year, next year, June 2013 on the 25th, because I'm a One Direction fan, but I ain't one of them over-obsessed girls that obsess over them. I like them a little, and my waver just fell. Yeah. And just give you a tip, if you're gonna go see One Direction or meet them somewhere, do not scream in their face, because that just tells them you're over obsessed, and they don't like it when girls scream in their face. And try to do breathing exercises while you're going to see them. Because I might be going in on December 3rd on Monday, but I have to get a good grade to go. And when I go, but the one is in New York, the December 3rd one. The other one on June 25th is in Philadelphia, the center city. But I live closer to New York and Philly. I live 3 hours from New York and 2.5 hours from. I live 2.5 hours from New York and like maybe 4 hours from Philly. And if you go and I see you there, and if you do this hairstyle, I'd recommend that your hair has to be long. It can't be short. But my hair is medium size. My hair is not too long, not too short. But I just hate when I have to cut my hair. And I got this new necklace. And I got my makeup done. And I got new earrings. Well, I wore these for a little bit in the summer.
Can I watch?
And Jason Derulo is over. It doesn't. Stop, you jerk! Sorry, that's my brother, and he is so annoying.
And Nicolo shot.
With the 2-in-1 Swiffer Sweeper, a great clean doesn't have to take long.
Sorry about that. He's just so annoying. I can't wait until I go back to school.
And 2-in-1 Swiffer Sweeper uses electrostatic tripod.
And tell me in the comments below what you're being for Halloween, because
you don't miss a thing.
what costume you're gonna be with your hairstyle, because you can curl your hair for like a pirate costume or crimp it or maybe wave it. But if you're being a nerd, you should curl it or crimp it, because nerds' hair are crimped and wavy. Sorry about that, I'm just really bored. And I got 3 days off of school. 3. And I'm so bored today. But I gotta do, like, my morning routine is get up, do crimp or straighten my hair, or like I usually curl it sometimes, and I put a heat protector in it or something so it doesn't burn. And as you can see, I have a cold a little bit, and I'm starting to get rid of it. And oh yeah, and I just got this shirt 2 days ago, and I got these leggings. And then it's like, come here, Daisy. Look, it's my dog Daisy. She's a nice dog. And I don't know why I'm randomly doing that. Oh, that's so weird. No, that didn't do it.
You got leaves to on them. One of them has
No, that was already on there.
no.
So it was like crimper, it'd be hard. Someone burned it. That thing says say, hey.
No,
Hey, hey. Sorry if I'm randomly singing.